Hello everyone, my name is Amol More and welcome to our channel Solution to Black Book. Now the question they have asked is solution set of these equations. So root of 3 minus x is equal to minus x square minus x minus 1. Now the usual way of solving everyone knows, the left hand side will be solved and the right hand side will be solved, and we will check their ranges. That is one way of doing this, or squaring both sides is one way of doing this. But I am here to explain or discuss the graphical approach because I love the graphical approach. That is why I will be providing you the graphical approach to this particular question. Okay, so first of all I need to make the graph of root 3 minus x. So before that I will make the graph of root x. So what is the graph of root x? So let me draw that over here. This is the graph of root x. Very simple. Then what is the graph of root of minus x? Again very simple. Graph of root of minus x will be like this. Okay. Now I have to make a few changes. Graph of root of minus x plus 3. It means root of 3 minus x. It means I have to add plus 3, right? I have to add what? Plus 3. To this graph 3 will be added. So 3 will be added means initially the graph was starting from 0. This is root x. Because of minus x everything turned minus, but now 3 is added to it. See, 3 is added. It means it will shift to right. This graph will shift to right. By how many units? By 3 units. So this will be our graph at 3. So 3 comma 0. If you want to check it out, just check it out by putting the value of x as 3. Once you put the value of x as 3, you will get the value of y as 0. So this is the simple graph of root of 3 minus x. Okay. Now let me also make the graph of minus x square minus x minus 1. As this is a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c, and a is less than 0. It means it is a downward facing parabola. Very simple. Now, in order to understand this downward facing parabola, we need to also understand that what is the value of minus b by 2a and minus d by 4a. Okay, so what will be minus b by 2a? So let us say minus, and b is minus 1 upon 2 into minus 1, and minus d will be b square minus 4 into a into c upon 4 times minus 1, right? So this particular point, as everyone knows, is the apex point, minus b by 2a and minus d by 4a, right? So it will be 1 upon minus 2, that is the point, and over here it will be 1 minus 4 upon minus 4. This is the point. Okay, so ultimately it is turning into minus 1 by 2, and that will be equal to 1 minus 4 minus 3 minus minus plus, so minus 3 upon 4. So basically these are the points, apex points you can say. Let us check it once again so as to not commit any mistake. B is minus 1, so minus minus will be plus 1, 2a, right? B square minus 1 square minus 4 into a into c. So it will be minus 4, 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Yes, minus 3 by 4 and minus 1 by 2. So these are the apex points, and the graph will be vertically downwards facing because a is less than 0. So I can make this graph like this. Over here this is minus half and minus 3 by 4, let us say, and this is my parabola facing vertically downwards like this. Okay, now what do we need to solve is root of 3 minus x, and the right hand side was minus x square minus x minus 1. This was the equation we needed to solve. So we drew the graph of root of 3 minus x, which is this, right? Let me show you with a red pen, which is this, and we drew the graph of parabola minus x square minus x minus 1. Do you see any point where they intersect each other? There is no point where these two graphs intersect each other. It means there is no solution. There is no solution at all. So this is the graphical way of looking at this question. Obviously there are many other ways, but if you know the graphical way in a very much detailed manner, it helps you to solve very difficult questions. So how did we do that? First we plotted the graph of root x, then we plotted the graph of root of minus x, then we added 3, so we got the graph of root of minus x plus 3, and this was just a parabola facing vertically downwards. I just got its vertex or the apex point so as to draw it properly. We see these two graphs never intersect each other, hence there is no solution at all. Now let us check the options. In the option, no solution is marked in option D, as the correct option is option number D, which is the right answer for this question. Thank you for watching the video, guys, and if you like this graphical approach to solve this question, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. This is Amol More saying bye bye to you.